Scientific studies have shown the heart is not only the most powerful center in the body, it is the most intelligent, having the ability to receive precognition. If we can create a coherence with our minds and heart center, we can access our intuition more frequently.
The heart is an electrical organ. It produces by far the strongest source of bioelectricity in our body, up to 40 to 60 times stronger than the second most powerful source, which is the brain. This electrical energy travels through every single cell in our body and in a sense kind of binds the cells together. It's strong enough that it even can be detected outside the body, out into space, beyond the skin. It's not an aura that we're measuring when we do this or anything like subtle energy. What it is very measurable electromagnetic energy, much like radio waves. And what we found is that the heart produces an electromagnetic field that surrounds our entire body in 360 degrees. And that it can be detected about 3 to 4 feet with magnetometers outside the body. Researchers at the Manager Clinic in Kansas say they've detected it 10 to 12 feet. So regardless of how far it goes, what's interesting is that we produce this electromagnetic field that can be detected. That can be measured with sensitive mainstream medical equipment. One of the interesting studies that was done here at the Institute of Heart Math with our chief researcher, Dr. Roland McCready, was a study on intuition, on the intuitive response. What we found is that the frequencies in that field, the electromagnetic energy and the frequencies that are in the radiation from the heart, actually change depending upon what we are feeling. Our emotional state influences changes in that electromagnetic signature. For instance, if we're feeling a strong negative emotion like anger or frustration, it creates what researchers call an incoherent spectra in that electromagnetic field. Lots of different frequencies fighting for power. The pattern looks very jagged and irregular, kind of like you'd see if you were looking at a pattern of an earthquake. The good news is that we see a completely different kind of feel when people are feeling positive emotions. Really heart-based emotions that have long been metaphorically associated with heart. For instance, if we're feeling real genuine appreciation or sincere care or real compassion, what we see in that field is what's called a harmonic spectra. The frequencies are now working together. They create what's called a harmonic sequence. They're not fighting for power, they're supporting one another. And all of these changes occur because of what we do as human beings. The emotional qualities that we are bringing to life affect that field. Now you take that a step further. The field surrounds us in 360 degrees. We're broadcasting that energy, first of all, to our own bodies, but we're also sending it out into space. So in a sense, we are communicating our emotions through an electromagnetic field produced by the heart.
Of all the energy centers of the body, the heart center produces the strongest signal. With heart disease being the world's #1 cause of death, and the heart center being the main broadcast power center of the body, we have to nurture and respect it as if our lives depend on it.
is happening is that our solar system will fully begin its descent into the plasma field, the equatorial region of our galaxy. Our solar system, as it moves, it goes in this, here we go. It goes up and it goes down and it goes up. It travels this way, okay? As we're moving in the galaxy, 26,000 years, 26,000 years, 26,000 years, 26,000 years, okay? Well, what we're doing is we're beginning our descent, okay, to begin a new 26,000 year cycle. And that descent will take us across through the plasma field, which NASA calls the Oort cloud. And that field is a huge electrical plasma field. And it will change our DNA. It will change virtually everything that we know. And what happens is once we cross that actual plane, we move into a different harmonic, a feminine harmonic, where humanity will begin to rebuild itself and regenerate and recreate itself in a safe environment, okay? Because that harmonic, that frequency is not about war, it's about compassion. And we're leaving the male dominant in the northern side of the galaxy. We're leaving the war behind, and those who can't let that energy go, that control, that dominance, a lot of them, whether they're male or female, won't make it. They will check out.